Oh boy, jigglers.
I think she wanted this purple.
Yeah! Let's go, 4 more. I want to hear it. Oh yeah. We're nearly there. 3, 2, 1, to the top. He said up, down. Nasty boys. Come on, who is it? Who is it, y'all? Nasty boys. Yes, bring them away. We don't need them. Nasty boys.
So one thing we've learned about Virgin Cruises is everybody participates. No matter what thing they have going on, the PJ party, the red night, the VHS workout, the sing-alongs, the karaoke, the spin cycles, the gym classes, everybody participates here. And you know, whether you're great at it or bad at it, nobody cares. Just get out there and do it, and Virgin supports that 100%. So a lot of activities.
And shake your booty. This is from the galley, and I have the ramen noodles.
I just got today's special, which is a panini. They have a panini, a hot spot where they have toasted paninis and stuff. It's pretty good.
I already got that.
Okay, we're now in our robes. We're gonna go in the dry sauna.
Okay. Oh. Let's dry it for a little bit.
Okay.
You can take it in.
Huh?
I think you take that in, right?
Yeah.
It's dry. All right.
Right into dry sauna.
It's dry. It's hot.
Oh, it's really hot. Okay, that's fine. Oh, look at the view from our sauna. Sauna view.
Ooh, very cool.
That's very cool. Ooh.
Here, hold this. Need a little humidity. Room temperature? Okay, this is Lisa's speed.
Yeah, this is my
The
speed.
hot
The
tub.
hot tub.
It's not real hot though.
No. It's a nice hot tub.
It's like the cold isn't real cold. Like the couple ways all the way in.
Yeah, I know. I can try it again. I'll try it one more time.
Yeah? You don't have to.
Yeah.
You would, you should. It's good for you. And this is the hot rock. Another one of Lisa's.
Yeah, I like all the hot places, but
Not too hot.
not the
Can't
sauna.
get too hot.
Yeah.
Warm. The warm places.
Okay, I'm gonna try the cool next.
Oh yeah? Oh, the cool, not cold.
And then
Okay. All right, we'll try that. Okay, this
sauna
was
done.
after the sauna.
Cold plunge next.
Oh, and this is before the cold. Okay, now the cold. Oh yeah.
Good?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can.
You get over it pretty fast.
I can't even get in a cold pool.
So do your feet. So you're overthinking it.
Oh no, I'm thinking it. I'm over colding it.
Okay, what's the timer?
I'm not sitting in here long.
This is only a 2 minute. All right, now this is the salt room.
Ah, you found me. Yeah.
Here's where the party is.
Yeah.
Oh, you found the juice bar.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Pretty good.
So what's your favorite?
Mine?
Yeah.
What do I like red or double bean?
The
I like
beet.
beet juice.
I like beet juice too.
Double bean is really nice and red is good as well.
I'm gonna do the beet juice. You don't want the orange? Let's just do one of each.
Okay, do one of
Do
each.
one of each.
Okay.
He'll drink all mine, otherwise I'll be mad. The beet juice and the orange.
So one red, one orange?
Yeah. He pre-drinks. He's pre-drinks. But I would like to. So yeah, he's okay. So maybe I don't know.
Say our main menu, but if you want one cocktail,
Anything. You know, I think I'll do the lemon tea. Yeah, I'll do one of those.
You are ready for It's a Shit Show. Let me hear you say ahoy! That's what I'm talking about. Well, friends, as you all just heard, I am your host of It's a Shit Show. My name is Steven Stance, and I come to you all the way from Savannah, Georgia. Daddy, a big old howdy, Steven! Howdy, y'all. Now, I want to see who we have joining us in the house tonight. So, do me a favor. Make some noise if you are from the United States of America!
Day 5 recaps.
And we were at sea all day.
On sea day.
Which was sea day, yeah.
It was a really good sea day. So we started off with our lattes, of course, which we always do at breakfast.
But we skipped breakfast.
Oh yeah. We didn't eat anything.
That's right.
There's a lot of food and good food. And then we checked out things that were going on in the ship, the cycling, the spin cycle class, and a bunch of stuff going on.
It was health day.
Yeah, it was health day. We got a juice, a healthy juice. We went to the VHS aerobics class, which was actually really fun.
Right, we get exercise in. So that means tomorrow soreness.
Yeah. But it was a good time. And then we went to the spa all afternoon, which was really fabulous. Enjoyed
Nice.
it. Yeah.
It was relaxing.
Enjoyed that a
The
lot.
skin is so smooth.
Yeah. And it was a great deal because it was only $69 for like 3 hours. And honestly, after 2, we were done anyway. So it was plenty of time to be in the spa. And then we went to a ship show, which was a variety show, which was very entertaining. They do dinner there too, but we chose not to eat dinner because we're going to eat dinner next at the test kitchen. Oh, then we watched the sunset. So we just saw a beautiful sunset.
Just got past the sunset. And that was that way. At the aft of the ship.
Yeah. And now we're going to go to the test kitchen for dinner, which we've heard mixed reviews. Some people love it, some people didn't like it at all. So
Yeah,
I think
so
we're
we're
gonna
going to
be in
give
the-
our own review.
I think we're going to be in the love it category. Then we're going to find some music tonight, and then we're going to call it an evening. So
And then tomorrow?
we're in Bimini,
Bimini.
in the Bahamas.
Yeah. No, I've not been there.
No, I haven't been to Bimini either. And we are swimming
We're
with
sharks.
sharks. We are swimming with the sharks.
Oh, so join us when we swim with the sharks
Yeah.
tomorrow.
So
gonna
have
be
a
fun.
good night. We're going to have some dinner and put a nightcap on it, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, all.